At askIITians, we believe that those who have already cracked this exam before, they are the best guides or experts who can take you through the same journey again and again and again. We have done it once and we want more and more students to do it every year. And that's our hobby, that's what we like, that's our passion. We have been working on this goal, this journey, this passion for last 12 years successfully. We have 10,000 students as of now who are working with us day and night, slogging it out, right? I invite you to be one of them with us, to work with our faculty members who are either IITians or doctors from top medical colleges, right? Who have created a huge bank or repository of questions which replicate or which have similar pattern to the kind of questions which you are going to tackle when you are going to attempt IIT JEE or NEET exam, right? Once you are exposed enough to those kind of questions created by these experts, right, there is very less chance or probability of having or getting some question in the exam with which probably you are not going to be familiar with. It's all about exposing yourself to as many type of questions as possible. And that is why more and more practice is required. You might have heard from some of your relatives and your parents that practice makes a man perfect, right? That holds true even today when it comes to preparing for these exams. The more number of questions you practice of different varieties, the more you have chances of getting successful in these exams. Just make sure that while practicing these problems, you have the concept clarity from the very basic. If you don't have the concepts clear, then again you are going to stuck. You might solve hundreds and thousands of questions, but at the end, if your concept is not clear, I give you one question, you are going to fall flat, right? In past few years, we have been growing successfully. We have expanded our base, right? Starting from India, we have expanded our base to at least 18 to 20 countries where students are taking either offline courses in our centers or online courses. We have our physical presence in Dubai, Sharjah, Bahrain, Abu Dhabi, Muscat, as well as some countries like Kuwait, Qatar. In Qatar, we have multiple locations. So being present in more than 5-6 countries as of now, working with 10,000 students and getting achievers every year, we are very confident that if you join this journey with us now, with our faculty members and with the kind of content and study material we have, if you are not even going to make it to, let's say, the topmost college in the Ivy League, I will make sure, and all the faculty members at askIITians will make sure that wherever you stand, you are at least 10 steps ahead. So what I mean by that, when I say that, I mean that if your chances of getting a predicted rank of, let's say, 50,000 to 1 lakh in that kind of exam is there today as of now, then we'll make sure that you get in top 10,000. If your chances of having a predicted rank of 10 to 15,000 is there as of today, we will make sure that you are in top 5,000, top 4,000. How to get hold of your predicted rank? We have an exam called ICAT, which is the full form for which is International Competitive Aptitude Test. I encourage you to take the ICAT test. This is the 7th year we are already conducting this test. I encourage you to take that test. Based on that test, we'll be able to analyze that had it been the real JEE or NEET conditions, whether you are in grade 7th, 8th, 9th or 10th, we can very easily predict where do you stand, what kind of rank probability is there if that would have been the actual exam. And once we understand what kind of rank slab you have, we are going to be very clear about how to work with you, how to close those gaps and how to work continuously year after year to improve your rank. And trust me, once you are going to take that challenging competitive exam, before that, if you attempt the ICAT again, you will see 10 times improvement in the rank that you had in the earlier ICAT few years back. Give that chance to us, our faculty members. Trust me, the time to act is now. The time is right. You are already going towards that journey. You have taken a decision to separate yourself, distinguish yourself from other students in the crowd. The time is right. The time is now. It's time for you to start working with Ask IITians and Ask IITians faculty members the kind of content that we have, and make this story, convert this story into a great success. I'm sure once you make it into a successful story, the happiest person on this earth are going to be your parents and the teachers, including us, who actually get a lot of joy when we see students actually succeeding in these exams, who really toiled hard, worked hard for last few years. And there are multiple success stories, and if you go through one of those stories, you will realize, or you will find someone familiar who was not hopeful of making it to this kind of exam, but actually after working for a few years dedicatedly with our guidance, he was able to make it to one of the top colleges. Once again, welcome aboard to Ask IITians. Let's hope it's going to be a great, exciting and fun journey with us, and I assure you that together we are going to make into a great success. Thank you.